Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off photos notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on notifications. In here, go down to the notification style section and then tap on photos. Next, at the top, tap on allow notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the Photos app notifications. After that, you can choose whether to turn on or turn off alerts on the lock screen in the notification center or banners style. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.